Hello teachers, welcome back to the Academy for Enterprising Girls. Today we're diving into an exciting lesson on ideation, a crucial stage in the design thinking process. Our goal is to equip our students with the skills to generate creative ideas and develop innovative solutions to real-world problems. Let's get started. Ideation is all about brainstorming and rapidly developing possible solutions to a problem. It encourages out-of-the-box thinking and inspires creativity in our students. To kick off this module, let's engage our students in a hybrid think tank activity. In this exercise, students will pair up and combine random objects to create unusual hybrids. For example, apple and toothpaste could lead to apple-flavoured toothpaste. Alarm clock and coffee maker equals an alarm clock that brews coffee at the set wake-up time to kickstart the day. Pillow plus speaker equals pillow with built-in speakers for listening to music while relaxing. This activity promotes divergent thinking and sparks creativity. Encourage students to draw their designs and think deeply about their concepts. Remember, every great idea starts small. Take the iPhone, for instance. It evolved from a simple concept to a revolutionary product that changed the world. Ideation is about exploring countless ideas and refining them over time. Now let's watch a video featuring successful female entrepreneurs who share their advice on ideation and the importance of playfulness in the creative process. It's called Coming Up with Ideas and Playfulness and can be found on the Enterprising Girls YouTube channel. It's also linked in the description below. After watching the video, let's discuss the insights shared by these entrepreneurs. Why is it crucial to generate lots of ideas before narrowing our focus? How can we avoid underestimating someone's creativity? Let's delve into these questions together. Rapid ideation is a powerful technique to unlock our students' creativity. It involves quickly jotting down ideas without overthinking. Let's try a rapid ideation exercise using a simple scenario. Find alternate uses for a paperclip. Set a timer for 5 minutes and encourage students to brainstorm as many ideas as possible. Okay, ready? Go! Once the brainstorming session is complete, students can share their ideas with each other and build on them. Display the outcomes of this exercise to show the process of rapid ideation. Remember, the more we practice this skill, the more adept our students will become at generating innovative solutions. Display the outcomes of this exercise to showcase the process of rapid ideation. Ideation is a fundamental skill that empowers our students to think creatively and develop innovative solutions to real-world problems. By fostering a culture of ideation in our classrooms, we're preparing the next generation of problem solvers and innovators. Thanks for joining me in this lesson. Happy teaching. Also, don't forget you can head to the Enterprising Girls website and download the full lesson plan in its entirety, completely free. The link is in the description below. Plus, we also offer the online classroom where you can track your students' process, see curriculum links, and even make reporting time easier. Check it out. enterprisinggirls.com.au and then click on the online classroom in the Teacher Hub.